have a new hairstyle. I finally put my braids in. I know if you guys who have been watching me, you know I've been saying I wanted to get braids since last year, and I didn't get them last year because I just been so busy, but finally I got a moment, and on a whim I'm like, okay, I'm gonna braid my hair. So today is Monday, March 8th. I started my hair yesterday, and the only reason why I didn't finish it was because I ran out of my supplies. Like, you have to have, well, you don't have to have glue, but I use glue at the ends of my braids before where you see the curls, and you'll see the method that I used in the video because I'm going to show you what I did. I ran out of glue, so then I just stopped and I finished today. If I had to guess, because I wasn't counting, I totally forgot to count how long it took me. I think I started around 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and I stopped somewhere around 11, and then today. So I would say about 4 to 5 hours it took me. And guys, I was so pleased with how easy this was, only because I used the method where you put the rubber bands to make the parts first before you start doing the hair. Like, that was a total lifesaver. Now, I think these braids are called goddess braids. At first I thought they were called passion braids, but I noticed that the passion braids I think are a little bit bigger, and like you have to pull them out to fluff them out to make them look like a butterfly, like to give it that like messy boho style look, and then with curls. I like those, but I really didn't feel like doing that, and that wasn't really the vision that I had in my mind. Like, the vision that I had in my mind was like I wanted like mostly braid, and then I wanted the ends of the braids curled, and then I wanted like little curly little things, like how you see how this curl comes here, this curl comes here, like that. It's perfect. And of course I install these braids. For some of you who didn't know, I used to do hair. I don't do other people's hair anymore. I just worry about my hair, and every now and then I'll do like close friends and family. I don't have the patience to do other people's hair, but I did this style, and I'm gonna definitely show you in this video how I did it. I'm not gonna do my full head on camera because it's too much to tape and do it, but I did one braid for you guys so that you can see, and let me show you the hair that I use in case you wanna do this style. Give me a second, let me get the hair. Okay, so guys, I use the pre-stretched hair, and this one is by Sensational. It's the African collection, and it comes with like 3 of these columns of hair, and I only got 2 packs, and as you can see, I didn't use all of them. I used 1 full pack, and then I used like another one of these, and I didn't even use the full one. I think I still have hair left from this one. So I used 3.5 of the bundles of hair. So this is pre-stretched. I didn't even know about this hair. I used to get like the old school like Kanekalon hair that comes like in a big braid. I know some people say Kanekalon. I say Kanekalon, to each his own. I used to get that, and it's so hard to like part, but this pre-stretched hair, oh my gosh, if you want to braid your hair, if you're a braider, if you go get your hair braided, get the pre-stretched hair. It's textured hair, so it'll be fine. It will save you time and make your life so much easier. So this is what I got for the straight part. Screenshot it really quickly. Okay, so now for the curly part, like the black curly parts here, I use this hair. It's by Free Tress Braid. It says crochet, lash, and hook. It's the water wave, and it was 22 inches. Make sure you screenshot that. And so, because you know guys, I'm extra. I like color, I like sass, I like everything just a little bit different. I wanted to add in the pink, and so I got this hair right here. This is Zuri pre-stretched water wave, and I think it's 20. I'll look for it later and put it in the description. I think it's 22 inches if I'm not mistaken. Screenshot it. I just thought this looked so cute. I had this hair for a while, and I just put it aside. I didn't know what I wanted to use it for. I just know I saw pink and I bought it. I put it aside, and if I'm like, oh, okay, I could add that to my hair. So let me show you my hair. I'm gonna try to get another clip from another angle so you can see the whole thing, but for right now, I'm gonna show you it. It's basically braided all the way, and then look, it's really long, and I did it curly at the ends, and then I added like the pink parts to it. And so let me turn around to let you guys see. Okay, so you see I added the nice little jewels. These are like the little gold jewels. I might add some more because these look totally cute. Totally cute. I love. I'm so happy with this style. I can't wait. I think I'm gonna do it again with a different color, but I love the pink too. I'm just so excited. I'm just thinking ahead like, okay, I'm gonna do this. But this is so cute. So yeah, guys, so stay tuned. I'm gonna show you in the video how I achieved this look, and then I'm gonna show you some pictures. And if you guys want, follow me on Instagram. My personal Instagram is Kharyzma4you. And let me show you the lip gloss that I have on. Today I have my Kharyzma4you lip gloss. As you guys know, I have been selling my lip gloss. I launched November 18th. And this is my peach shimmer. I love it. Let me show you on camera. You know I had to promo real quick. Yes, guys, your lips will be popping. All right, so stay tuned. If you want my lip gloss, go to Kharyzma4you.com and follow my business Instagram. If you want to see all the lip glosses that I offer, it's Kharyzma4you Fashion on Instagram. Personal Instagram for clothing, updates on what I do in my life, yada. That's my personal Instagram, Kharyzma4you. So stay tuned for the video. I hope you guys enjoy. I will try to add some pictures and you know, longer shots so that you can see how long it is. And this is like going all the way down to my booty. These are booty length braids. Yeah, look. Okay, stay tuned for the video. So hey YouTube, I'm already in the process of doing my braids. I just wanted to show you how I do one of them so that you can see, because doing it on camera will take me lots of time. So to cut down on camera time, I'm just going to show you one. But I'm already in the process. Just so you know, I already parted my hair, my real hair, and I did it with the rubber band method. So it's just like rubber bands all over. I'm just taking it out to show you that the parts are with rubber bands, if you can see right there. So I'm gonna just put that back up really quickly, and I'm taking this section out to show you. I should have already told you everything in the promo of the video. So I am taking my pre-stretched hair. I'm gonna be using that to braid. And so basically what I do, and guys, there's no perfect way. I had to try to figure this out. I just knew that there was a certain look that I was going for, and you know, I think this is it. But as time goes on, I may try it again and perfect it, but this is what I'm doing. So I'm taking the extension hair and putting it over and making it into 3 sections. Make sure you guys can see. And then I'm just braiding it. Now, I didn't want these braids to be too big. I didn't want anything heavy on my head. So far it feels really lightweight. So you want to make sure you just part it in a way that you don't have to put too much hair on your head, but the parts and stuff should still look nice and neat. So I'm just gonna borrow some hair because these 2 pieces are the extension hair. This is my hair. So where's my hair? This is my hair, so I'm just gonna borrow from this section to even it out. And guys, I'm an experienced braider, so I know sometimes if you're not experienced, then borrowing hair might seem like a lot, but there's plenty of videos on YouTube. So I just wanted to show you how I'm doing it. Okay, so when I get to a certain point now, I'm gonna add the curly hair, the water wave, which is this hair. And I'll leave all the information in the description box. So what I do, I don't know if it's the right way, but I make it uneven because like the look that I'm going for is like, I like the braid with a curl hanging at the top, and then I want the ends to be braided. I didn't even show you the rest. I'll show it to you in a minute. I start out with it uneven, and I'm adding it from the back here, and then just adding it in as I braid. And so now as I braid in some, to make sure it's all in there, at some point, which is now, I'm taking this out, and I'll just hold it right here for now. And then I'm braiding the rest. Wait, let me make sure. Okay. See, because I want this to hang out, and then the rest of it will braid all the way down so that the ends can be curly. So just braid all the way down until you don't have any more of the straight hair. I'll show you just now. Like I try to go all the way as far as I can go to where it gets really thin, and then I take two of the pieces and then make a knot. Like I do two knots, like I'll knot it one time, like that, and then I'll knot it again, just to make it stay together. Now, I saw some people on YouTube use hair glue or weave glue. I don't have any of that. I have nail glue. I know it's crazy, right? With all this talk on YouTube with people putting glue in their hair. But this is not my real hair, the part that I'm putting the glue in. So we're not gonna have any glue mishaps. Some hair glue on the end of it, and that's just gonna like stiffen the hair so that it doesn't unravel. Put this back on. Like once you put it on the hair, don't pat it or do anything to it because you don't want it to get glue on your finger and then it'll just be a mess. You see how this is hanging out? I like that. So now with these hairs that are sticking out, the straight hairs here, you just get your scissors and cut them off. See? Right there. Okay, and don't worry about it. It's gonna look fine because remember, you have this piece of hair and you can kind of take it out and play with it, like break it up, you know, because you want that like messy curly look, and that'll kind of cover up like the braid. It'll make it all blend in, and then the end is curly. You're gonna do the same thing, and like see, here's the rest. I have some pink hair in mine too. I'm just gonna cut it and even it out. Let me do that now. Okay, so I cut mine and then I just take it and separate it so that it can, and I think I'm gonna put mousse at the end. I've seen some people use mousse to kind of tame the curls, so that's what it's gonna look like when you're done. You see the curls? This is the one I just did. Okay, so I'm gonna go finish my hair and then I'm gonna come back when I'm done. I think I'll come back when I put the mousse and then you'll get to see it and then I'll show you. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. This is the next day and I ran out of the glue that I had. You saw in the video that I was gluing the ends. I ran out, so I decided to just finish it the next day. I went out and I got the glue and I finished it today, which is Monday, March 8th. 2021. So this is it, guys. This is it. It is so versatile. I know I'm gonna do so many styles. I could even do like a high, I could do a low ponytail. I could do a high ponytail. So many things, but right now, this is what it's looking like. I'm gonna try to put some pictures in so you guys can see. I also added some of these jewels, as you can see. Guys, I really love this. I love it. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My personal Instagram for fashion, hairstyles, vegan food, and everything that I'm doing in my life is Kharyzma for you. And for my lip gloss, cosmetics, hair accessories, follow my business Instagram, which is Kharyzma for you fashion. Also, please check out my website, kharyzmaforyou.com, for all of my cosmetics and other goodies. And my Etsy shop has my hair socks, which I'm gonna be using to sleep at night with, which let me insert a clip of me putting it on so that you guys can see before I go to bed. I'll probably do that when it's bedtime and then tape it and then insert it in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you guys try this style, please let me know. If you have questions, just let me know. I'll try to help you, because I looked at so many different videos to try to see if I could find something, and I couldn't really find a specific tutorial for this one. I found a mixture of tutorials, so then I said, you know what, let me just start my hair and I'll figure it out as I go along, and it came out exactly the way I wanted. Yeah, that's it. Okay, I'm gonna go take some pics, and I thank you all for watching. Thank you for your support. Bye-bye.